rear brakes on an all road are, for at least this first generation, is pretty much the same as any Volkswagen, Audi. Just got to turn the piston back in. It's cable operated. If it were electric, you would have to retract the parking mechanism first with the VAGCOM, VCDS or similar. So 30 seconds. Sorry, I got interrupted. So the bolts are removed. You can lift off the caliper. Oh my god, it's hanging. There's hardly any tension on this, that's fine. You can remove the brake pads. And you see how stiff they are to remove. As they were hanging up, and you can see there's a difference in thickness. This one's got a slight taper, this one as well, plus it's skinnier, so this pad was also sticking. You don't have to remove the caliper mounting bracket. The rotors or the discs slide out. There's no retaining screw. Make sure the sliders are free, remove them, and lube them up. Clean off the bracket, use a file. In order to stop the dusting, you can use water and spray water on here first. And you see how much nicer this surface is now. I'm going to do the same to the top. Assemble and reversal removal. Need a wind back tool. Turn the piston back in. Sometimes it might be difficult to start it, but once it moves, it should continue to move fairly easily. The more mechanical advantage, or the longer the wrench, the easier it obviously will be. Every now and then lift the boot to let the air out. If you don't let the air out, the boot's not going to collapse nicely. I haven't checked yet. Turn it until it stops. Later on, when the brakes are installed or everything's in place, you want to slide this guy over and then check for free play. If there's too much free play, just give the piston a slight turn counterclockwise. That turns it out. And you just want to have a little bit of free play, and then you're good to go.